Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to recharge your airtime on Opay. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to Airtime and make sure that you are at the home page. You are going to see Airtime here, so you go over to Airtime and here you're going to put the number which you want to recharge. You can also type down any number here which you want. So when you are done, the service that you're using is showing glow over here. The service that you're using is going to appear over here, which is glow. They have other network, but it's glow that is showing here. Since I'm using a glow network, and have to put the amount of recharge card you want to buy. You have to put the amount, and when you are done with that, you go over to pay, and over here you can either use your password or your face ID to pay. So whichever one you are using, you can use it. And when you put in your pin, then you'll be able to purchase the airtime on here on Opay. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.